Hi.
Hi.
Who's this video for?
Mickey.
Is it for Mickey or
More far.
and Far Far, right?
Yeah.
Can you guys say hi, More Far, far, far?
Hi, more far. Hi, far.
Hi, Carol.
Hi, Golden Fun Pillow.
Yeah. So what are you guys doing today?
We're just eating peaches.
Really? And then you
These
guys,
are actually plums, and we're going to the pool.
you're going to the pool. Do you guys miss More Far,
I
Far,
don't
Far,
like-
and Leonard?
I don't want a black one.
Okay, that's okay. Sit down, Oscar. Say, I love you, Far, Far.
No, Papa, I don't want a black one.
Okay, so guys,
Papa,
tell us.
What do you want then?
Oh, that is so sweet, Alice. Thank you. What else are you guys going to do today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well, say bye and give him a kiss. Blow a kiss. Say we love you.
We love you. That has a pit.
Thank you, Mickey.